Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT in Rapid Red. This XLT does come with a remote entry keypad, blind spot mirrors, power window controls, so you've got leather armrests on the door here, cloth seating with a bench seat, interior lighting controls, and an electric parking brake. Does have the 5-liter V8 in it. You got your infotainment system here with display modes, trip and fuel, towing, off-road, and vehicle settings. Cruise control is on the left, hands-free is on the right. Traction control up top with your 4-way flashers and auto start-stop function. Sync 3 sound system with built-in hotspot for your phone, Bluetooth, satellite radio, and Ford Pass. Locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low, and a trailer backup assist with a trailer brake. Climate controls are right there, and then you've also got a 12-volt outlet. Center console seat, center console here. Seat folds up to create another seat. Coming around back, you've got a 4x4 sticker here, chrome bumper, review camera right below the tailgate latch. Take a look at the truck bed here. You have the option to put a spray-in or a drop-in bed liner in this truck box. Rear seats, you have your compartments here on the door. Rear seats are also cloth. They fold up in the back for more storage. You've got a 12-volt outlet right there and flop-down cup holders. Lots of legroom back here, and you've also got paper storage behind the rear seats. And back around to the front, get your chrome front bumper here, halogen headlights and fog lights, LED turn signals, chrome grille with your tow hooks up front. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today, talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this Ford F-150. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.